The defeated former MP has been presenting himself as though he still holds authority, even in his own words and on his social media platforms. I have been courteous because I know it can be hard to accept defeat.
Burchell versus Davis. Here we have Burchell, who is the MP for St. James Southern. And we have Davis, who is the once MP, now caretaker of St. James Southern. What Miss Davis here is complaining about is that she believes that he is presenting himself in the capacity of a MP, which he is not. He is a caretaker. She is claiming that he is presenting himself even on his social media, which I did check. He is indeed presenting himself on social media, that he is the MP of St. James Southern. When I watch his video, because what is happening, there's a road work project going on in the area, that he is presenting himself on the project grounds, and he actually did say he made a promise as a MP, not that he is a current MP, right? So it's a fascinating play on words and political game being played here, but I dare would say that Miss Burchell has valid points, because the truth is these road works are government works, and once he lost his title as MP, once he lost the election, she is now the MP, and she would take control of all these roadworks, right? But I understand him wanting to present himself and say, hey, I started this, and I want to be here to make the people know, say, I'm still there, and I started this. But Burchell has a very valid point as well. You are not the MP. Stop presenting yourself like you're the MP. And he's saying, hey, I'm just a caretaker and a person with a vested interest in my constituency. So it's fascinating. But she is right. She is right. He is not the MP. She now has full control. Any projects that are being done by the government, alright, like the National Works Agency and so forth, she is the one that is informed. She's the one that is updated. She holds the reins, so to speak. But what are your thoughts? Enough about my thoughts. What are your thoughts? Who do you think is right or wrong in this situation? I want to do a live about this. Hopefully I can do it tonight, because this will be so fascinating to talk about.